Alrighty, this is going to be a retake of the, well, another retake of the elevator here at the West Market Mall, America, Bloomington, Minnesota. Hope she's running. And she is running. Last time when I filmed her, she was broken. Here it is. And she's got a new indicator. Yes, look at that. 3. I was indeed correct. It just got a new indicator. All right, let's watch it. Epic motor. I love this new indicator. Listen to that. It's a new Acme indicator. I wonder if they'll do it to South Avenue. This is amazing. Come on in.
Sorry.
Going down 2 or 1?
1, please. Thank
Okay.
you. Sorry.
All the way down.
All the way. Or, yep.
All the way down, you
Yep.
mean?
Yep. Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you.
I'll go up to 3 and get it. And we'll look out the window this time. Gotta love this epic motor, people. I love this. Oh, we're stopping at 2. You went up?
Yes.
Come on in.
Let's try to skip it. So let's try to skip it. That's how you get off the wrong floor.
I will get a view. Check this. Yep, the view is quite the same as last time. Got another view of the ride of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Dora over there. There's Dora. I see SpongeBob over there. All right, now we'll go back down. I love this new indicator. I love the new Acme indicator. As I looked at the reflection, I am so happy that this elevator was getting a new indicator. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's a nice new Acme indicator they put here. Sad the other Otis indicator has gone away. All right. Anyways, we'll end it here now. There it goes. That's it.